Good morning students and welcome to the digital classes of St. Paul's. Today I am Gaurav Verma, your computer teacher, and I am going to start your chapter first, that is evolution of computer. So all of you open your books, and one thing more, if you don't have buy your books, then soon buy your books. So your first chapter is evolution of computer. Now, first of all, we should know what are the facts given in this chapter. Evolution of computer, it means that how the computer came into existence in our life. How we start the computer, from where the computer came into existence. Now the facts that are given, we are going to study in this chapter are how did people calculate numbers in early days? What is the way? What is the way how the people calculate things? How to add? How they know how many things they have? Second is abacus. What is abacus? The first calculating device. We will study in this chapter. Pascal's calculator, Napier bones, difference engine, the modern computer, generation of computer. How the generation of computer came in our life. How the advancement of computer is done. Digital world of computer. In the digital world of computer, we will study what are different types of computers in the world. They are like mainframe computer, mini computer and supercomputer. Computer for personal use. They are different computers that we use in our daily life, like desktop computer, laptop computer, palm top and tablet computers. What are the features? What are various features of computer? And who are the great inventors that help in inventing different computers in the early days? So, first of all, we are going to study about our first topic, that is abacus. So, our first topic is abacus, the first calculating device. So, what is abacus? Let's study, look into your books and go through it and hear carefully. It was a simple calculating device. What is abacus? It was the first calculating device. It was invented in the 4th century. All computation works. Whatever we do, the calculation work or computation work in the abacus is done by sliding beads in rack. It is a type of frame and like a rack, and all the counting is done by through the beads. It is also called a counting frame. It is also called a counting frame. So what are the things in this abacus include are wooden rack, horizontal wires surrounded with beads. These beads are helpful in counting, and these are so it is a calculating device. So these beads were helpful in counting. Second, we are going to study is Napier bones. What is Napier? Napier bones. Napier bones is a machine invented by John Napier. Scientist John Napier invented the Napier bone. He was an Scottish mathematician. John Napier was an Scottish mathematician. This Napier bones was made by joining 11 animal bones. It is made by joining 11 as the name itself tells bones. This implement that it was made because it was made by 11 animal bones and later replaced by rods, and later instead of bones it was later replaced by rods. It has a brand number mark on it. It has a brand number mark on it and with 10 strips of metal side by side, and it has a 10. So it was a machine invented by John Napier. He was a Scottish mathematician. So it includes 11 animal bones, and it is also used in calculating, in adding things. After abacus, it was second machine used for calculating. Now our third topic is Pascal's calculator. Now this is the third machine after Napier bones. So Pascal's calculator was invented by Blaise Pascal. He was a French mathematician. It was the first mechanical calculating machine. Pascal's calculator, it was the first calculating machine. It is also called Pascaline. So third topic is Pascal's it was also called Pascaline. It was also called Pascaline. It was the first calculator in which we can add and subtract both. It was the first mechanical calculator in which we can do both add and subtract. It was first calculator in which we can do both add and subtract. With the help of gears and dials, it has some gears and dials. With the help of gears and dials, each gear is having digits 0 to 9. In this, each gear is having digits 0 to 9. So, before we have studied abacus and Napier bones, these both are only for adding or calculating. Abacus and Napier bones is only used for calculating. Now Pascal's calculator, this is used for addition and subtraction both.